From 9th of July to 11th, 2024, a NATO summit will be held in Washington. This summit will be decisive for Ukraine as the question of Ukraine's NATO membership will be addressed. This issue is extremely important as it will determine how successfully Ukraine can continue its war. Ukraine's victory is crucial for the hopes of liberating all peoples oppressed by Russia. For the Chechen people as the first victims of Putin's regime and as a de facto independent country occupied by Russia, this is especially relevant. It's also significant for the countries of Eastern Europe that could become the next victims of Putin's aggression. This is important for the entire world, which Putin is threatening with a nuclear catastrophe. Therefore, the Chechen National Liberation Movement United Force calls on all countries of the world, all oppressed and free peoples, to unite their efforts in support of Ukraine.